Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the crossbow in Modern Warfare 2. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you want to head into the game and go to your weapons loadout, so these leg miles from rifles in the weapons loadout and scroll right to the end. We do actually see the crossbow here, but it is locked at the moment. There's actually two ways to unlock this. So the first way, if you play DMZ, you can actually extract the weapon from there. So if you are playing with it and you just expel with the crossbow, then you can successfully unlock it forever. If you don't actually like playing with DMZ, and you're more into multiplayer, what you can also do is actually get 50 long shot kills with Microsoft rifles. So you can shoot any one of these rifles and just get 50 long shot kills with it, and it will actually unlock the crossbow for play forever. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.